Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Michael's Millennial Money. Today I want to share with you why actually this year I'm gonna invest money into something that makes me happy but at the same time makes me some money. Because I've been investing into a lot of different things last couple of years, but not always it makes you happy when you see bigger balance in your index funds portfolio or maybe crypto portfolio, or maybe that your apartment went up in the price on the paper. I'm gonna share with you what I buy and maybe what you can buy as well in order to be more happy with your progression, and you see that you are progressing. At the end of the day you will even make some money, and it's gonna even bring you some kind of like pleasure. That's the topic that I want to make today, because I think it's important. Investing should be in a way that you should see fruits earlier than in 30 years, right? With that being said, you can get ready for the video. You can support me with a like or subscribe. So before we start, guys, we had actually at the beginning of January challenge under $500 January, that we don't want to spend more than $500. And to be honest, I think right now I'm sitting on over 500 already, because I was dating girl, blah blah blah. I spent some money over there, so it's okay. But I want to spend, I did mention it before in the video that I used to spend $1,000. So if I spend this month like 700, it's already big win. So hopefully I'm gonna make it, and if not, then I'm gonna make it next month and so on. So let's go back to the video. So topic is that, guys, welcome to Michael's Millennial Money. This is the channel mostly about personal finance, investing into real estate, crypto, stocks, and even into ourselves. I just turned 25. I started 7 years ago, literally from nothing. And I'm sharing here with you how I was able to save up first $100,000 while I was in university, how my friends were doing parties and I was already hustling, buying properties in university, how I was able to start a business in logistics with a friend and so on. And actually I think it's pretty decent when you are in the younger age, because there is a lot of people, not even older, are not able to do the same things, which I always stay to the ground, but I just want to share it with you. If you want to talk more about your situation, and if there is anything you think I can help you out, there is in description calendly.com. You just click on it and you see my calendar, and over there we can schedule our 30-minute call where we can talk about anything you want, and you can always send me some description before, and I can review it, see if I can help you out or not really. Investing and everything. Everybody is saying you should sacrifice your 20s or 30s in order to be wealthy in your 60s or 70s, which is probably true, and it's important for me, and it was always. But I see older I get, I have some apartments, I have some investments, I already do okay, I would say I'm lower middle class. And then you are thinking about for are all these things that I'm gonna be rich when I sell all the apartments, when they are gonna be paid off maybe in 40 years or 30 years, right? What I'm gonna do with the money? Maybe I'm gonna be unhealthy, maybe I'm gonna be sick, maybe I'm not gonna be even around, right? So what I do, especially last couple months, I buy things that actually make financial sense more, but they are not bringing that big return on investment like S&P 500, right? But they are bringing some investment return and some pleasure. Because for me, I don't know how it's with you, but when I was buying S&P 500, it does bring to you I would say satisfaction in a way that you did invest, but you don't have anything from that right now, maybe in 10, 20 or 30 years. What I do right now is that, and you don't have to do it, but when I was always younger, I used to like four-wheelers. So today I can buy four-wheeler for $3,500 and I can resell it within 3 months for $6,000, because I know how to fix it. I like it. I really like it. That's the important topic. That's the important aspect. I enjoy it. I like to repair the stuff in the garage in the evening. Yes, probably I should invest that time into different thing maybe, but I enjoy it. And so I have some enjoyment, but at the same time I make some money. So I'm not even losing money. So I think it's great, right? And recently what I was doing, I buy cars, I am car guy, I would say, even though I don't have any good cars. I have just Teslas, but they are not bad, right? I try to drive it for a while, and if I make some money on it, I feel even happy, because I can drive the money that I use, but when you put them into S&P 500, probably you get bigger return, but you have to walk, or you have to have still car for your purposes, right? So now I have win-win, because I make some money, but I use it. And what's important right now for you? That's the question. At the beginning, when I was broke, I know, okay, I cannot have a car, it's stupid, so I need to invest it. That's what I did. That was great. Now, you know, I see differently. So I have investments always, but now I use some money for the cars, and maybe there is big opportunity cost. I should put it into Bitcoin or whatever. But I did lose quite a bit of money in crypto, so I'm not that easy going with the crypto again, even though there is many opportunities. I want to put money into crypto again, but I have to do more research and I have to be way more careful. So purpose of this video is to encourage you. Investing doesn't have to be about sacrificing everything and living on $100 a month and being broke for 20 years. I do believe you should enjoy, because when you enjoy the money and at the same time you make money on it, it kind of makes you feeling way better. At least that's for me, you know, like literally if I wouldn't have a car and would have 2 more apartments, I would feel miserable. I would feel miserable because with the apartments, let's be honest, they are on mortgage, so they are not good investment return right now. And there is so much things doing around apartments, broken, you know, sink, broken toilet, and, you know, need to change the papers and new agreements and whatever, new contracts. It's crazy. So car makes me happy. Yes, like it doesn't make you happy in the long run, but it makes you feeling good makes you feeling very decent in a certain moment, especially when I have a bad, like, you know, like I don't want to say bad attitude, but not the best attitude. I go and drive the car, I listen to music and I enjoy it. And try to figure it out if there is something, whether it's going for piano. So maybe, you know, go for piano lesson, you have to buy it, but then maybe record it on YouTube and you can maybe later on make some money on it, or you can teach other people. If it's about going to gym, maybe try to figure it out, like where is the cheapest gym, or maybe you can do as a side hustle, like being a gym coach, gym trainer. So it's good if you combine it, right? So definitely have it in mind. I definitely like, I don't want to say like suggest, but I think you should think about it as well, because nobody told me that before, but now I understand it, you know. And I am like, yeah, I would rather make less money from this initial investment, but that I would have some satisfaction. It's important for me, especially right now. Older I get, you figure it out, money are super important, but at a certain level, when you hit like, you know, I did see research, when you make 75 grand in a year, you live better than 100 years ago, the richest king, right? And when you have a 75,000 like in a year as a single person, you are in top 1% of population. So you don't have to be crazy about the money. So I always use this kind of mindset and, you know, attitude when I need to kind of like settle like my thoughts down. Like, Michael, you are doing well. Of course you can do better, but you are playing with the cards that you have. So definitely, guys, enjoy, invest, make money, and that's win-win-win situation. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.